Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a super simple card you can use for your projects using React and Tailwind. So let's get into it. First of all, here I have an empty Next.js project. The first thing I'm going to do is to create a new folder in the source folder called components. Okay, and inside of it I'm going to create a file called card.tsx. Okay, I'm gonna create the component right here inside of this file, and I'm gonna load this component, the card, in the main page. Okay, so let's type here card, and there we are. To the card, we have to do some styling. First of all, let me show you, our empty project has a white background. The card will be a little bit gray. I'm gonna use VJ sign 200. I want it rounded. I want to add some shadows to it, and I'm gonna hide the overflow just to ensure that the card will be rounded and the content in the card won't overflow. Okay. Inside of this card, we want to add an image. So something I found on internet that worked for me to make the image fit on the width of the card is to add this div. Let me close it. Okay. We put with full. I'm gonna add some max height to it. 48. It's okay. No, 44. It's okay. And overflow here. This is to keep the card with the its dimensions, you know. And inside of this, I'm gonna add an image, a next image component. And we at the all, I'm gonna just put card image. The source, for now, here I have two images. I'm gonna add this image to the public folder, and I'm gonna use it for now. So it will be card image dot gph. I'm gonna use with 0. With next image, you have to tell the component what width are you gonna use, and the height as well. So let's put it in 0. It doesn't makes much sense, but it's the way how it works. Sizes, I want to use the whole view width. Class name will be full width and h auto. Okay, and let's add priority at the end. So this will be everything we need to show our image. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I have an error. I have to just add this slash. Okay, yeah. So now we can see we have our image right here, but we have no text, anything else. So I'm gonna just add it right now. we're gonna type another div, and we're gonna add some padding. It will be flex. The distribution will be column, so flex column. And we're gonna add some gap between the text inside of this div. Gap 1 will be fine. And we're gonna add 3 headings. The first one will be 3. The next one will be 1, and then 2. Yeah. And let me add some lorem ipsum right here. For the title, this one. For the description, right here is fine. And let me add a date here, so this will be a new date. That to date string. Okay. So let's see what have we got. Yeah, the card is working pretty good. The text is flat, so let's add some styling to the text. For the date, we want it smaller, so the class name will be text xs. We want the main title to be wider and bigger, so this will be text XL, and we want font semi-bold. Okay, and the description, we want it smaller as well, so text SM. Let's see what we have. Yeah, this card is looking pretty good. Okay, and let me show you how would they see if we add more cards. Here I have a grid with 3 items per column, so let me add 6. Okay, right here, and let's see how it looks. Yeah, they look pretty well. And let me add some changes so you can reuse this card in the future. We're gonna add an interface with the card props, and they will be the image, which will be a string, the title, it will be optional, so a string as well, description, which is a string, and the date, which is a string as well. Okay, and they are optional, so we have to put the question mark at the end. So here I'm gonna add card props and load all the props. So image, title, description, and date. And I'm gonna replace it right here. So let's put the title. If I'm gonna use some logic, so if there are title in the card props, we are gonna show the title. Otherwise, we're gonna put this. This is just for the tutorial. In a real life case, you just add the title directly. Okay. For the description, the same. So if there is a description, we put the description. Otherwise, this text. Let me type this up a little bit. Okay, and the image. So the source will be the image string. Okay, right here. We have an error right now because we have to add the props in the card calling the main page. So the image card image dot jpg, and I'm gonna copy and paste this 6 times and change the image of 3 of them. Okay, let's see. I forgot to put the slash again. So this is what we got. And if I add some description or title, you can see it changes. Yeah. Same for description. Let me type this. This is a description. It changes as well. Something I forgot to show you is that how the card looks in a slider. So there you are. This is the card in the slider. I just made a few changes. I added to the card horizontal margin and full height. Also, I added this to the date, so if I pass through the props a date to the card, it changes as well, as you can see here. Otherwise, if there is no date, it shows today's date. Yeah. And the last thing I added is that the swiper slide now has a vertical padding and vertical margin. This is the final result. And this is all for this video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for next tutorials that will be coming soon. Bye bye.